Hey guys, welcome to another recipe video. This time I'm going to do something that comes from Belgium. It's a suggestion from one of our subscriber and friend, Sophie. It's going to be interesting because it's something that is done very fast. It's something that you can have as a main dish or on the side. It's something, for them over in Belgium, it's a comfort food. It's something very fast to prepare. As you're going to see, I'm going to give you the real recipe from over there and the one that I make. Because like we always say, you can always adjust the ingredient and make it your own, for sure. So that's what we're going to do. This recipe is the basic of it. It's with some lards. For me, in my case, I'm going to use bacon. Bacon is the international food. I think it's like, it's the greatest. So guys, I hope you're gonna enjoy. And like I said, I'm gonna give you the recipe that they do over there and my recipe with some adjustment. So I hope you enjoy, and like always, please guys, subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. I hope you're gonna come back, and take care.